Circle E is shown. What is the length of arc CD? So we're trying to find this arc, but we're not trying to find the measure of the arc, we're trying to find the length of the arc, and those are two different things. So on the EOC, you are going to have a formula sheet, and it's going to be an icon button. So make sure that when you take the EOC, you know the formula sheet is available, and it's an icon at the top of your screen. So you would click on that formula sheet button, and you would find the formula for the arc length of a circle. All right, and then we can just plug in what we know. So it's going to be 2 times pi times the radius, which is 12. Theta is your angle measure in degrees, all over 360. And if you notice, each of your answer choices are written with pi. So I'm not going to type pi in my calculator. I'm not going to put in 3.14. I'm going to do 2 times 12 times 145, and I'm going to divide that by 360. So I get this big old number on top. And now we have to figure out which one of those matches. For me, it's probably going to be easiest to turn this answer into a decimal and turn these into a decimal and match them up that way. So I'm going to do 3,480 times pi and then divided by 360. So the arc length here is approximately 30.4. So I'm going to turn each of these into decimals as well. So I'm going to do 29 divided by 72 times pi. That's about 1.2, so that's not going to be it. Then I'm going to do 29 divided by 6 times pi. That's about 15.2, so that's not going to be it. 29 divided by 3 times pi. That gives me 30.37, which is about 30.4. So I'm pretty confident that's going to be my answer. But I can just go ahead and double check. 29 divided by 2 times pi is 45.5. So just because it's written in a different way than what you originally get when you solve it, if I were you, I would turn it all into decimals, because whether you're using a computer calculator or a handheld calculator, you can turn it into a decimal and go from there.